In this video, we're going to be creating a new website on our BetterSiteHost server. So to start, we're going to go into our server panel and go into the applications. Now remember, applications, websites, same thing. All we need to do is click on the Create Applications button. And that's going to start our Create an Application wizard. And normally what I do is I just give this the name of my domain minus the dot. So we're just going to do Joe Workman. Then we're going to give it the domain. So at this point, it is joeworkman.net. And because this is a main domain, I actually want to add the www as well. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. Now, next up is our deployment method for the website. Now, we have one-click installers for a lot of things. So if you're using one of these applications, go ahead and use that. However, we're going to go ahead and click on custom right now. And what that means is I basically want to manually upload my website using SFTP. And so we're going to go with that method. And I'm actually also going to click on the show advanced options. One thing I like to do is here in the system user details, you can create a new user for every single application. Now, you might not want this randomly generated username, so you could type in the username that you want as well as the password. Now, you can also choose an existing user if you want as well. Now, if a website is only ever going to be accessed by me, I do think it's convenient just to run the application as the same user. So, but if you have multiple people running and need access to your server, you might want to silo those off into different usernames. It's really up to you. Now here for PHP version, I'm going to go ahead and make sure we use the latest version, and I'm just going to leave the custom web root just as it is. Let's go ahead and create this application. Okay, now that we have our application created, notice that we have a great dashboard to manage our application. Now, the first thing we should do, if you're using Cloudflare, is I recommend you go ahead and set up Cloudflare first. We have a separate video for that. Please go ahead and do that. If you're not using Cloudflare, go to your DNS provider and make sure that you point the DNS to your new server's IP address. You can easily access this right here just by clicking that, and that will copy your address to the clipboard. Now that you have the DNS set up, let's go ahead and install our SSL certificate. So we're going to go into the SSL certificate and click on automatic installation. Now what this will do is it actually verifies that your DNS is correct. You see we have two green lights here. And once that is all correct, you can go ahead and click Install Automatic SSL. And we're done. Click on Force HTTP to HTTPS to ensure that you are always using a secure connection for your visitors. Now, if we go to our website, we'll notice that we have our application is ready to rock page from BetterSiteHost, but let's go ahead and upload the actual website. So inside your application dashboard, you'll notice that it has the SFTP and SSH credentials directly right here for you. So you can go ahead and click and copy and paste these into your favorite FTP app. Let's go ahead and do that now. So I've gone ahead and entered my credentials into my FTP app, and we're going to go ahead and connect. And here, once I logged in, you'll notice that I have my joeworkman.net, my joeworkman.net folder, as well as my public HTML folder. And this is where we're going to upload our website. Now that that's all done, let's refresh, and there's my fancy new website. So there's a lot of other great features within the application panel inside BetterSiteHost dashboard. Make sure you check out the video where we give a great tour of this interface. I hope you're enjoying BetterSiteHost. Now go forth and make your websites great.